up, y'all? Juice from Juicebox TV. And look at this, we got 60 FPS. You know why? Because I just copped that new iPhone 11 Pro Max, baby. Anyway, I'm about to go to the car wash with Jaden. Y'all know I'm his little ex-wavy, but I do have to get my car washed, and I am gonna vacuum that. So I am going to make sure that I get that on video. Okay, so I don't turn here. That's gonna take me to Bear. I wanna go to Glasgow. But I don't know. I kind of like these car vlogs, low key. I feel like it's more. I feel like I can talk to y'all better. Like I can talk to y'all more. Like, I feel like it's more personal. If y'all know what I mean. Like I feel like if I talk to y'all, like I feel like these car vlogs is just like I'm talking to the viewer or the viewers, because I know it's more than one person watching this video right now. But yeah, pretty much right now, I'm gonna explain my hiatus. I'm going to explain it right now. The reason why I've been gone is because I really haven't had the motivation to put out a video. If you guys might know what, you guys might not know what that is, but like I haven't really had the motivation to put out a video. I've been finding motivation to do a video, but I haven't found motivation to actually put the video out, if that makes sense. Like if it doesn't, then like it doesn't. But like I'll do the video, I'll edit it, but I won't put it out for anything. Lord knows why. So new videos are coming. I am gonna post this first so you guys know the explanation why I haven't been out, like why I haven't been doing what I've been doing. But this is kind of like a comeback vlog after like a month. I can't be doing that. I can't be slacking for like a month and not posting. I have like 10 videos that I have not posted, but there's no excuse for that. I take full responsibility for that. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when I do get to the car wash. All right, y'all. So you put that back.
I can't use that?
No, no.
I need to wax my tires, man.
You ain't waxing no tires.
I might just pull up right next to you.
You might as well. I'm gonna go stand in the spot so let me nobody.
I gotta do the oil change today. I need the jack. That's all I need.
Hurry up. What's up, guys? Juice from Juicebox TV here, and all good things must come to an end, meaning that this video is over. Sadly, the video is over, but you guys can click another one right here on the screen wherever it is. Oh, there it is. So somewhere over here in the atmosphere. But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.